Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best automatic center punch that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Husky 6-in automatic spring-loaded center hole punch. Mechanics and auto body technicians may need a center punch tool for work that's strong but still careful enough around lightweight materials. This black and chrome finish version from Husky is safe for exactly that because of its spring tension impact adjustments, which means that thinner metals won't be damaged by the impact. Aside from automotive use, buyers have implemented this tool in weatherproofing projects, installing security cameras, and rehanging doors. I have several of these auto center punches, explained a customer. Makes dimpling a starter point much faster and easier than using a hammer and pointed manual punch. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Starrett 18A automatic center punch. In comparison to the 18C model, this Starrett automatic center punch is still heavy-duty but is best reserved for lighter materials or objects that can't handle as heavy of a blow. It equally gets as much appreciation from consumers thanks to its well-designed steel body and high-quality materials that allow it to last for a long time. There are myriad surfaces it can tackle, from aluminum to thick steel, and both buyers looking for a home improvement tool or commercial companies trying to fully outfit workers' toolboxes will be pleased with the 18A. At number 3, we have the Alli Tools and Parts 6-inch and 5-inch heavy-duty automatic center punch. Alli Tools automatic center punch kit comes with 2 tools and each features a precision-centered tip to make marks and safely drill holes. The chrome-plated construction on both is useful, but for extra ergonomic comfort, the blue-capped model is a good fit for palms that need a break. These work on a variety of materials, too, without causing damage or breaking themselves. At number 2, we have the Nico 02638A 5-inch automatic center punch. Nico introduces our 5-inch automatic center hole punch for making precise and accurate drill marks. When you're on the job, you need an accurate way to mark surfaces for a drill or hammer to fasten in the necessary bolts or screws. A center hole punch helps you mark the precise spot for where you want to drill on a specific type of surface. Whether you need a hole puncher for heavy-duty metal, an awl tool for leather, or a hole marker for wood, plastic, or glass, this center hole punch can set a marker on any hard material. To use this device, activate it with a firm downward push on the cap, and the spring-loaded mechanism in steel awl tip will apply enough pressure to mark your surface. With a comfortable ball end, this tool allows you to get a firm grip as you mark your working materials. This center punch has a reinforced S2 steel tip and a chrome-plated shank body for intense impact force. The metal construction also prevents corrosion from dirt, grime, and oil. A cap at the top of this adjustable punch allows you to adjust it to the specific strike force you need. Our center hole punch is a handheld device, making it easy to transport from job to job. The versatility of this device allows you to use it for all kinds of jobs. You can use it as a window punch for vehicles or homes during an emergency, a metal marking pen, or an awl for working with leather. Whether you need our 5-inch automatic center hole punch for dealing with automotive projects or you just want to add this tool to your equipment, Nico has your back with our durable, dependable, and strong tools. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pittsburgh Pro Automatic Center Punch with brass handle. Prices vary for automatic center punches, and, in the case of these handy tools, inexpensive doesn't necessarily mean worse quality. Proving this point perfectly is Pittsburgh Pro's version. The price and quality of this item, and the value for money ratio, account for why several buyers mentioned they purchase them in multiples to always have one on hand for work. A double-loaded spring barrel and chrome-plated tip give this tool a good punch life and make it tough enough for most uses. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.